This is a quick video to demonstrate the new rules and features that I've implemented on Stars. This game's from 1978 and it has an MPU-100 Stern board in it. The way I've implemented these new features is I took out the processor from the MPU board and replaced it with an Arduino Nano. That's the only change I've made to this machine, and then wrote new code for it. And all the code that I've developed for this will be linked in the description of this video. So when this game came out, it had a couple of simple goals to it. You could hit these drop targets in advance from double bonus to triple bonus to wow, which is extra ball or points, to special. Or you could light these 5 stars on the play field to increase the value of this spinner from 200 up to 1,000. And so what a lot of people do when they're playing this game is they'll just focus on lighting the stars and hitting the spinner, and they may do the drop targets once or twice to just get their bonus multiplied. But that's pretty much it. So I wanted to add some more depth to those and create some skill shots and hurry ups and that kind of thing to make it more interesting of a game to play. I also implemented a ball save, which wasn't introduced on pinball machines at this point. And the other thing I did was something you'll see on later pinball machines is the player's score will flash until a switch has been hit and the play field's validated. And that starts the timer for the shoot again, for the ball save rather, and it starts the timer for shutting off the skill shot. So I'll show you the game. So you can see it starts out with this red light moving around the play field, going to all the special lights. And that's my skill shot. So as soon as any switch on the board is hit, when you plunge the ball, it's going to start a countdown timer, and that timer is going to affect the ball save, and it's going to affect that initial skill shot. So you can see the timer here start counting down from 15, and then there's the ball save. Ball save turned off. So you still have a little bit of time left on this skill shot, and if you get it, then you hear that bell go off really quick to let you know that you got the skill shot. So this is what the stars looks like when you advance them. If you get all 5 stars lit, then this spinner's worth 1,000 each spin. So you also see the red lights going around again, and what that means is I can lock in this level of stars. So there's 3 levels of stars. I can lock in this level of star if I hit this red light when it's moving around. If I don't hit the red light when it's moving around, then all the stars go back out on my next ball. So what I want to do is I want to hit the red light, and then when I lose the ball, oh, that was my ball save. When I lose the ball, even though I'm on the next ball, I still have those lights locked in. There's 2 more levels. The next level, you'll see this light go brighter. So once I get to the brighter level, then I can lock that in. And then the 3rd level is the flashing level. And once you lock that in, then that will lock in not only the flashing stars, but also the flashing red lights. So this goal is complete now. The stars goal is complete, and every turn of the spinner is now worth 3,000. So the second goal is the drop targets. If you knock down either bank, then you get the double bonus in the second level. And then you get to wow, which is the extra ball, and you get to the triple level. And these drop target goals work in conjunction with the goals that are all still listed on the play field. For instance, if you knock down the outer targets, you get the 7K one lit. If you knock down an inner target, then it lights this spinner here for more value. So the goals that are on the play field are still working just as described. It's just there's additional depth to them. So once I get past this, that light's special. Once I collect special, I do it one more time. And now I have you see the drop targets don't reset on this level, and I have a hurry up going for this left spinner. I get, I think it's 20 seconds to hit that left spinner to lock in this flashing special on the drop target level. And if I don't get it within the 20 seconds, then it resets and I have to knock them down again to get back to that. So once I do lock in with if I get this hurry up on the left spinner, then I've achieved both of these goals. I have the star goal all lit up and I have the drop target goal all lit up. So now I just have the pop bumper goal, and this is the part that I'm still implementing. Right now the pop bumper counts down from 50 every time you hit it. It decreases it, and it gives you a little status indicator here for a little period of time. Once I get down to 0, then it lights my in lane and out lane, and those switch with the 10-point targets. So the in lane and out lane will increase the, it's just like it's written on the board. It'll give you 3 bonus lights and 3,000 points. So you see the way I did the bonus ladder as well. Before, the bonus ladder maxed out at 19,000, so you have 10,000 and the 9,000. That was the most you could get. Now it maxes out at 55 because it'll lock in the top lights when you build all the way up to them. And now when I lose the ball, I'm going to get 55,000 times my triple bonus, so I'm going to get 165,000 added to the score. So you might be thinking that this is going to make the scores go too high on this game. It will. So it's not that difficult to roll it over to 1,000,000 points. But if you do, I've implemented it so the scores will rotate through. So basically you can have scores that go all the way up to 4 billion unsigned long, and they'll just rotate through on this display and on the high score display. So you don't have to worry about rolling over the machine. It takes a while to get to that. Maybe I'll do that in my next video along with the wizard mode. The wizard mode, basically, now that I've completed my stars goal, if I complete my drop target goal again and complete my pop bumper goal all in the same ball, then the wizard mode is going to make every switch on the board worth, say, 10,000 points. And that'll give you a chance to really rack up a high score and roll over the machine. So that's it for now. I'll post another video when I've finished the pop bumper goal and the wizard mode goal.